my channel Khayalistan. Today my story title is The Power of Understanding. Let's start. Peaceful village. There were two sisters named Anaya and Abiha, along with their younger brother named Ayan. They were known for their love and care for each other. One day, Anaya and Abiha decided to bake their favorite sweets to surprise Ayan, who had been working hard at school. While they were busy baking, Ayan's favorite sweet spilled some flour on the floor, which upset Abiha and Anaya. Instead of scolding Ayan, the sister took a deep breath and remembered a story their grandmother once told them. Long ago, there were two siblings who lived in a small house. They often quarreled over little things and forgot the importance of love and understanding. One day, they realized that their constant fights were causing sadness in their parents' hearts. Aya and Abiha paused to reflect on the story. They decided to approach Ayan calmly and explain why they were initially upset. They also expressed their love for him and how they appreciated his effort in helping. Upon hearing this, Ayan felt sorry and promised to be more careful next time. He hugged his sisters and together they completed baking the sweets. The sister realized that patience and understanding were important, especially with loved ones. Ayan learned to be more cautious, and the siblings grew closer by valuing each other's efforts and showing understanding. From then on, Anaya, Abiha, and Ayan always supported each other, knowing that love, patience, and understanding were the pillars of their strong bond. I hope you will enjoy my story.